Whoa! Daisy photobombing to start our live stream. What's going on, everyone? Happy Tuesday, day after Labor Day. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone had a wonderful Labor Day weekend. It's a rainy one here. It's a little drizzling right now. We're okay. We're hanging in.
It's alright. Dogs are still having some fun.
Lucas is having fun. Lucas is about to have a lot of fun going on a, 10-day camping vacation?
Can't wait.
Wow.
It's happening. It's happening, folks.
It's happening. Can't stop that train. Rotuck checking out Ferris over here. There's Monty Corgi. Is that our friend Gus?
That's Scout.
That's Scout. Oh, I'm getting my doodles confused. It's tough in the rain. All these doodles start to blend in the rain for me.
There's so many sticks to eat, but you can't eat them.
There's our friend Ivy Iverson. There's Scoodle. Hi, Scout. How we doing? And there's Asher. Hopping around. There's our friend Penny, the pen pal. Hi, Penny. Oh, so sweet. We love our pen pal. Oh, it's our old friend Fala. Hi, Fala. Ooh la. So glamorous. And there's our friend Sparty. Sparty is doing a couple-week board and train with us, learning the lay of the land. Here's Benson and Lola. Benson the wiggle worm, Lola the panther. Moving on over here, we got Lily, the Brindle girl. Oh, there's Leo the lie. It's Leland. Hi, Leland. Give me a high five. Yeah. Low five. There's Luna. Luna's back with us. We have been so happy to have Luna back with us after about a 5-6 month hiatus. We got some players here. There's Daisy, also training with us. Allie running around. Hanging out with Lucas right now is a newbie for us.
Comet.
This is Comet.
Hi, buddy. Say
Comet's
hi.
on the training wheels right now, getting the lay of the land,
Check it out, buddy.
meeting new friends.
He's funny, man.
Funny man,
He
Mr.
definitely
Comet.
lives up to his name.
Yeah? Flying through the sky?
Oh, yeah. Loves to fly around.
And our friend Rosie. There's Logan. Hey, Logan. Nice to see you. Oh, Leland's following. What else is going on over here, huh? We got our friend Valentina. Doesn't like the drizzle that much. It's just a bit of a mist. There's Ikuma. Ikuma's doing well with the mist. And then Amarok's over here. He's kind of our bouncer at Zen Dogs. Over here you can see some newbies over here. We put dogs in crates just to, as they're getting used to Zen Dogs, sometimes we put them in these pens for a little bit, especially with our mutes who are the working dogs. We kind of ease them into that. Here's Simon. Here's our mutes. There's Follow, there's Rotuck.
Ellie.
Ellie.
There's Ferris.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Pee.
We got a someone delivering a package right now, so some of the dogs are getting a little excited about that. Get some action here.
Oh, good boy, Pete.
Oh, nice job, P. There's Monty Corgi.
And he's looking for 19.
Hey, Monty. Ikuma is our alarm system here. Any strangers come in, you'll hear about it. Here's our friend Frankie over there in the playpen. And the newbies over here, that's Shiloh and Lewis. We'll see them shortly in probably the next live stream as we ease them into our daycare setting. Monty Corgi again. Ivy, Scout Doodle.
Action packed.
There's Clark.
Hello.
There's Drew. Yeah, right. We just gained 100,000 new live streamers.
I'll get you more if I take down the lock.
Who we got over here? That's Daisy and that's Ossipee. Couple of labby labs. Labbing it up. Ellie's still interested in the pool. Now that it's wet. Add some water to your day. Monty Corgi. Look at that swagger. That saunter.
Hi, Monty.
We got some light groups today, you know, day after Labor Day. Some people are taking an extended vacation, some of these pupperoonies.
Oh, just like me.
Yes, we know.
Oh, Rose, I like this. Just throws herself.
Rosie investigating. Lorna Tuna! And Lily Billy. Silly Lily. Benson and Fala. 2 peas in a pod. Benson. Very sweet girl.
Bouncing back and forth.
Scott and Ferris. Broing out.
He's getting so big.
Oh!
A tasty foot.
since it is drizzling a little bit, we're going to limit this live stream. But we'll try to come back at 2 p.m. Hopefully the weather's okay, weather permits. We'll keep you posted on that. And of course, we do have our Logan Square live stream tomorrow, 10:30. Check that out. And of course, we post this on our Facebook and YouTube page. Thanks for joining us for a nice little catch up after the Labor Day weekend. And we hope to see you later today for Group 2 of our Fulton Street live stream here at Zen Dogs. As always, happy tails and happy trails.